Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a car review. We've got Matt here and we've got his ASBO Focus ST, and we're going to show you all around it and see how it performs, so stay tuned. Right then Matt, so what made you buy a Focus?
I wasn't even looking for one, mate. I was looking for a car, and I was searching through like Auto Trader and stuff, and I found this. I just saw it in a garage in Stoke and I just fell in love with it, so I went to have a look with it, and yeah, I just fell in love with it straight away. Yeah,
you picked the brightest colour of being orange.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I'm a little bit biased with that. It's got to be red for me, but
it's got to be an ASBO for
me. So how long have you owned it now?
Just over a year now.
Okay, and what have you done to it within that year? Have you done any modifications, or did you buy it like this?
Yeah, no, well, when I brought it, the only thing it had done to it was a low line splitter kit, a TRC kit, and I've just built up from there, really.
What have you done to it?
I've lowered it. Yep. So I've lowered it. It's on Eibach lowering springs.
All right, yeah, so about 30-40 mil drop.
Yep. I've had a remap, stage 1 remap on it.
With pop and bang?
With pop and bang, yeah.
As we can hear in the back.
It's got to be done, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So, yeah, it's...
So we've got stage 1 pop and bang, pop and bang map. We're lowered.
Yep.
What exhaust are we running? So you can tell that's not standard.
It's a Scorpion.
Sports car?
Yep, no. Yep. Yep.
For road legal purposes, it's a sport car. So yeah, we've got a Scorpion exhaust. What about the intercooler? Have you upgraded that?
Yeah, it's got a stage 4 Airtec intercooler on it.
So that means it's got the big boost pipes.
It's got the big boost pipes.
Things like that on it, yeah.
Big boost pipes, silicon hoses.
Right,
turbo.
so really then, have you had the clutch done yet?
Yep, so I had a full RS clutch in it.
So really then, we're about really ready for another map, really.
Yeah, well yeah, map or forge. So.
Sorry Ali, if you're watching this video. I know yeah, so you had this car on the dyno, didn't you, at the STOC Rolling Road Day?
Yeah.
And it made great power.
It did. I was quite impressed actually. Without
stage 1 map, and that was without the intercooler. What did it make?
297.
297 on a stage 1. That's a good thumbs up from me. So yeah, just going to go for a little drive now, and stay tuned. We'll see you shortly.
19-inch TSW Nürburgrings.
Was did you have them done or?
Yeah, I brought them silver and had them powder coated black. I just think the black with the orange looks really, really good.
Oh yeah, it does. It really complements it.
And then obviously the orange Brembo calipers behind them.
Yeah, I've noticed the brakes stop pretty well on this.
They're a BMW E38 Brembo caliper.
Something different to what everybody else normally does.
Yeah. They work well.
The favourite, like what I've got on mine, is the K Sports.
Yeah.
But yeah, they do really complement the car.
Yeah. There's EBC Ultimax pads in them.
Oh right, yeah.
So they're sort of like a best of both, really. So they perform well under heavy braking.
This is what people's got to remember, that when you're upping the power on something, you need to up your stopping power as well. It's no good going fast if you can't stop.
No, I mean there are RS discs as well, so that's one of the things that you have to do when you put the E38 conversions on them. You have to upgrade the size of the disc. So they're 305 or 309mm RS discs, I think.
I mean, really, it's a great all-round car, isn't it?
I love it. Yeah, I love it. I love driving it. It never fails to put a smile on my face.
Obviously, everybody knows I've got a Focus. I haven't sold it. You just haven't seen it in about a year and a half. Yeah, I've got a Focus. I mean, it's a backbreaker with MBC coilovers on, etc.
Yeah.
I sometimes think I've gone a bit too far with it, really. Yeah. So.
And this is a nice ride. I think this is a nice ride, a nice, comfortable ride. Yeah. Even though it's lowered, it's still quite comfortable and it handles quite well, I think. Yeah. So it's good enough for me.
Like I say, it's a good all-rounder.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you've done in the engine bay?
I've had auto specialist plenum chamber.
Oh yeah, the inlet manifold.
Yep.
Just for those that don't really know about Focuses, when you start modding these, it's best to upgrade the inlet manifold because they're made out of plastic, and the more power you're putting through, we have seen them basically explode before. So it's best to go for the upgraded alloy one.
And a dry cell battery as well.
What's that do then?
The dry cell battery is obviously because a normal liquid battery heat doesn't do it very much, do them any favours. So obviously if you have a dry cell battery, obviously it's just a lot more like performance rated.
Just as we're driving along, I can notice a lever down here.
Yes.
Which is not normal for a Focus. So
no. What
have you done there?
Well, I've got the West Beach bonnet release conversion kit. So I've done away with the key underneath the Ford badge.
Yeah, because I saw that there was no badge there. It says you've got a badgeless grille on this one.
I put Zunsport grills on the front, top and bottom. So, and I've gone for the top debadge grill. So it's just something a little bit different again.
So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and also thank you for watching. Just like to say, if you would like to see your car on the channel, drop me a message through Facebook or Instagram. I'll put the link in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the share button, and I'll see you on the next one.